So hello everybody, good morning. I'm here in Kudelstaart, it's close to Schiphol airport, and I'm at the soap workshop, my soap lady, where I'm allowed to where am I allowed to use the workshop to make the beard polisher base, so I can make about 40 liters at one go in a production environment which is certified for production of cosmetics. And what I'm really proud about it is that it's all done with sun panels. The energy is resourceable, it's clean electricity. Yes! So your SUPERFURRY product is all powered by sun panels. Okay, so I'm going to go down now. I just have to watch. The dogs are having a so let's see. This is the workshop. This is my car. No, not so CEO friendly, but I'll need it. So this is the workshop, and when you follow me, this is going to be the new workshop, which will be finished by this year, and I'm allowed to use as well, and I'm really happy that she allows me to use her workshop. So entering the workshop as it is today, this is a certified environment to produce cosmetics and soaps, especially soaps. It's made for her soap production, and the soaps you use from SUPERFURRY, the pure soaps, such as well the beer soap, which has a big success and already give up a new order. So this is all I'm going to need today. There's ingredients in it, the oils, and lots of paper, cleaning stuff. I use bioethanol to clean everything, to disinfect everything, so I can be sure there's as less germs possible, as less dirt possible. And I'll try to make another live stream as soon as I'm cooking, because then I have plenty of times. And once again, if you buy from SUPERFURRY, as you see, it's all handmade. There's no industrial process in it. It's all done with love and passion. It's all done with sun panels, so the energy is resourceable. And yes, that's how I would like to share from you. I love everything. You see, even when you have your own beard product, you don't have the time to groom your beard. Okay, guys, I'm going on cooking. Thanks for have a glimpse how it's done, and see you later.